We will begin the meeting as we have done the past few months with the Berks County COVID-19 data report from Brian Gottschall, our Director of Berks County Department of Emergency Services, and the lead on the Berks County COVID-19 leadership team. Brian?
Thanks, Commissioner. Give you a moment to make sure you can see my screen. As he mentioned, our May 27th report based primarily on data available at the end of last week. So we continue to try to compact this and make the report as concise as possible while still giving folks what seems to be the most important and interesting information. This is our slide that we show every week that shows our 7-day smooth testing count and 14-day smooth case count. Again, compacted since the fall of last year. The one thing I want to mention is that the point that we're at now with respect to case count over on the right-hand side of the slide is the point that we were at approximately May 7th of last year. By the end of May last year, we had cut that number in half, going down from a little bit over 800 cases over the smooth period to around 400 cases. So we hopefully we'll continue to see the same decline in cases that we saw last year continue this spring as we move into the summer months. Our hospital data looks great. This is the first time we're below triple digits, and if I did a better job, I would have had an actual date for you of the last time we were below triple digits, but I didn't pull that up. I can just tell you it's been quite a long time since our hospitals in Berks County combined have been under 100 cases in-house that are either suspected or known to be COVID. Unfortunately, we do continue to have COVID-related deaths. Sometimes we have great days where we have 0. Yesterday, not such a good day, we had 3 reported deaths. So as I've said before, sadly, after the case count goes down, there is unfortunately still dying to be done by those who were diagnosed with the disease, and we are still seeing those deaths get tallied up, even though our case count is coming down. Hopefully, we will see these deaths very much flatten out as the case count continues to decrease. On vaccine administrations, we continue to be 9th in the Commonwealth in raw number. Again, this is just total numbers administered, so obviously the larger and more populous the county, the more likely it is that they're going to be at the top of the list. We're also very interested, though, in looking at the per capita number. So where are we at by percentage of our population that's inoculated? And as of the 21st, we were 38th in the Commonwealth as far as those fully inoculated, and 26th as far as those who have received at least the first dose of the total series. So again, not where we want to be. We would like to see us, kind of be in the top 10 per capita in the Commonwealth also. Restructured our thermometers a little bit to make the data a little bit easier to understand and see. Again, the governor has set a 70% of the population over the age of 18 benchmark for the Commonwealth, and therefore we would assume that we have an obligation to kind of meet that same benchmark here in Berks County to do our part. As it stands presently, we are at 52.7% in the Commonwealth and 44.4% in Berks County. And then we have to kind of switch the data set a little bit and take a look at DoH data instead of CDC data to understand where we're at with partial inoculations, because CDC doesn't provide us county level data of those who have the first shot of the 2-shot series. Again, where this gets a little confusing, and this is the asterisk over there, DoH does not give us a clear break point of over 18. They include up to 19 in their demographic break point. So this is why we say approximately 55,000 new people needed to step up, because we include the 18 to 19-year-olds in our collection of doses given, but they're not included in the goal, which is over 18 plus. So work with us a little on the numbers. We're about 55,000 folks short as far as new folks starting the process to get to the goal that the governor has set for us in Berks County. And we, of course, want to remind everybody that we do have a community vaccine site open, and our doyourpartberks.com website is the best place to go to find the opportunities to be inoculated there or at any of the other sites in Berks County. And I know Commissioner Barnhart, is going to speak a little bit more about the opportunities at our clinic. That's all I have, Commissioner.
Thank you, Brian. And yes, I want to echo that our goal now is 55,000 to get their first shot. And it's not a matter anymore of availability of vaccine. It's a matter of willingness to get the vaccine. We do not have a report this week on Coe County Wellness. There was a technical glitch. We will have a double report next Thursday. But again, to highlight the Berks Cares Vaccine Center, which is located in the North Reading Plaza in Muhlenberg Township. Again, free bus service on routes 1 and 3, also on shared ride through BARDA. And I think it's both Uber and Lyft will provide free access to all vaccine centers in Berks County. The highlight of the Berks Cares Vaccine Center is the type of vaccines. All 3 are available. As everyone knows, Pfizer is approved for those 12 and up. Moderna, both Pfizer and Moderna, those 2 shots. Pfizer's 21-day spread, Moderna's 28 days. And for those who like convenience, Johnson & Johnson is a 1 shot. The hours are posted here on the screen for the period of time, May 27th through June 5th. They are alternating the times based on the needs of the community. So as you look into next week, they will extend out into Saturday. So 9 to 2 on Tuesday, 7 to 6 on Wednesday, 7 to 6 on Thursday, 8 to 2 on Friday, and on Saturday, 8 to 12. So we're trying to get as many opportunities out there for third shift employees coming off shift, for first shift employees and second shift employees, extending those hours, and as well as people who just don't have the time during the weekday to get there on Saturday. Again, one thing that's also been modified is appointments are recommended but not required. Appointments do help to schedule the proper flow of people, but if you decide one Saturday you'd like to drive in there and get a vaccine, please avail yourself of this opportunity. Again, all 3 vaccines are available at the Berks Cares Vaccine Center, North Reading Plaza in Muhlenberg Township. So if you're willing and able to get a vaccine, please do so. We want to see that 55,000 continue to drop exponentially each week going forward. So thank you very much, Brian. And with that, we will move to the regular order of business for today.